Today I'm here for an experiment. I want to try grow this little seedling here. Already a little bit late. It's an ornamental. I want to plant it in this container. Then maybe later, if it's grow big and strong, I want to hang this in like Kodama style. I have this ceramics. For the ones who don't know where it's just little expanded clay pebbles that hold water very well. They are also little sticks that show you if you need water or not. Let's see how it goes. So now I cleared it out, drilled 2 holes, one for this little moisture meter, and the other one will be for the plant. Now I'm gonna fill it up, seal it, and after I will plant in my seed. So I have filled it up now. Give it a good soak. Now I let it sit for an hour or 2 until the pebbles are nicely soaked, saturated, and then I will plant our seed. I'm done now. Somewhere inside there we see the seed, little baby plant, moisture meter,